Good day, ma'am. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Good day, ma'am. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and to save money someday for my to my future son someday, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell something about yourself?
My name is Hasmin Martinez, and I'm 33 years old, and I live in Barangay Lumbia, Estancia, Iloilo, and I have one child, ma'am.
Okay, what is your educational background?
I'm college level, ma'am.
Do you know anybody in Hong Kong, say a relative or a friend?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you been abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
In what place?
In Hong Kong, ma'am.
For how long?
For 2 years, ma'am.
What is your job there?
Domestic helper, ma'am.
Okay, they like to take care of babies and children.
Yes, ma'am.
About how many children do you think you can take care at a time?
2 babies, ma'am.
Okay, what are your duties as a babysitter?
My duties are a babysitter is make him feed, bathing, feeding, and playing, and tutor, ma'am.
Okay, what are your duties as a domestic helper?
My duties as a domestic helper is cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and ironing clothes, and washing the car, ma'am.
Okay, can you cook some Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like stir fry, steamed fish, and steamed vegetables, ma'am.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like iron, washing machine, vacuum, ma'am.
Okay, how about washing car? Do you wash car very well?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you love pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like cat, dogs, bird, and fish, ma'am.
Supposing you're homesick, what are you going to do?
I keep myself busy so I can forget my homesick, ma'am.
If you have misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I apologize, ma'am.
Okay, if your employer is strict and demanding, what are you going to do?
I will follow what you want, ma'am.
Is it okay if your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care of bedridden or old person?
No, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
What promise do you have for your future employer?
I guarantee to my future employer that I'm hardworking, patient, loyal, punctual, and honest person, and I will do my job better, and I will finish my given contract, and I will extend if you like, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Hope to see you soon, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, and good luck.
God bless.